Down here you have the foreground and background color picker. Foreground and background color picker. So if you go over it, you can choose what you want to be the foreground color just by going around here, saying OK, and then it jumps to that. Or actually, if you move your mouse outside of this window, you can just, the mouse immediately becomes the eyedropper, and you can pick any color in the canvas. Yay! If you want to swap the background and foreground color, you can click this one button right here to swap it, or just press X in order to swap it, so just the button X. Or if you want to set it to the default colors, black and white, click this button, or just hit D for default. Now, one thing that is interesting is there is no shortcut key for setting the foreground color, and it's something that I do quite a bit. So if you want to change it and assign a shortcut key for this, all you need to do is go into Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, go down to Tools, and here you go. You can see how there's a shortcut key for almost everything, but there isn't one for, here we go, Set Foreground Colors. So default background colors. Foreground color picker is located right here, and I actually like to set mine to Q. Q traditionally is assigned to quick masks. I don't use quick masks all that often, so I use this for my foreground color. Okay. Anyhow, that's foreground and background color. Works the same for this. And how to use them. You see that there's a bunch of options here. Just to explain these, RGB is red, green, blue. This is lab, LAB color mode. CMYK is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And HSB is hue, saturation, and value, or blackness, I suppose. So that's what those stand for. And this is the hexadecimal number right here. But don't worry about that. That doesn't really matter. And only web colors? Yeah, never check that box. Thank you, 2001. We're past that now.